it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. Today is kit day, and we will be revealing the newest Softflex design kit, and it is called Turtle Love. We're going to do an unboxing of this kit and see all the wonderful goodies inside. And I'm always posting new content and tutorials, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video so you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. Let's dive in and see what Turtle Love has. Kits are always amazing. They're jam-packed with goodies. We always have a little description of everything that is in the kit. And this kit is going to be very special because there's a lot of exclusive only items only available in the kit. So I will go ahead and leave a link down below for the Softflex kit. Unfortunately, this one is sold out, but you can purchase the new one. In our kit, we have soft touch wire, and usually they have the Softflex wire. So that's really neat to put in the soft touch. It looks like our color combo is in silver, and then there is a Jesse James Beads custom mix. This just gives me under the sea and mermaid vibes, so I'm super excited for this kit. And there's a lot of exclusive items. There's Tiara Cast, so anytime that there is Tiara Cast in the kit, you know it's going to be special and a lot of check glass. I tried the Softflex design kits. They are fantastic. You can see how much it includes, and it has everything that you need to make a couple projects. So definitely worth getting. And then you saw how they were packaged, so perfect for a gift. Then you get to try different types of Softflex wire and products as well. So this is the Soft Touch in a silver. We have little turtle stickers. How cute. We have these cute little stickers with turtles. Cute. So let's take a look at our check glass. A really long strand. Those are so pretty. Very turtle shell color. They're very unique. And those ones are the check glass turquoise double pyramids. And then we have check glass in blue and green. That just looks like the ocean. How pretty. And then we have check glass blue-green rounds. Maybe those are the blue-green rounds. So these are the diamonds, blue-green diamonds. How pretty. Just look how those sparkle and how they pick up the light. And then check glass blue seashells. How pretty. This is a really pretty kit. And that's just the check glass. So we still have our specialty findings and the exclusive Jesse James beads mix. And this is Turtle Love. So Jesse James beads will make a bead mix and a bead strand. The bead mix normally comes in the kit, and the bead strand is sold separately and launched on kit day. So we have 20 of our 2x2s in silver. Really pretty to wire wrap around, and then maybe have some dangles from it. Super pretty. And then you have a couple little turtle beads. They're two-sided, and they're kind of like a little metallic finish, so those are really neat. So that would be pretty just to put as a bracelet. Then we have some ear wires, and then a lobster claw, perfect for under the sea. And then our specialty findings and specialty items, the Tiara Cast seashells. We have a treasure trove of goodies. I love these little starfish beads. They are so cute. And then the tassels. That's kind of Jesse James beads staple is using tassels and then the mixed metals and their mixes and strands. How pretty is that? It could either be a starfish or maybe coral. How pretty would that be on top? Maybe put like a little rondel spacer already designing. I think that's going to be a really cute earring. And then we have these little acrylic beads, and they're seafoam green with AB. How pretty. And then emerald for your deep sea colors. And these are really cute. They're like little seashells. They're like almost turtle shells. And they're an AB finish. How pretty. Move my other earring over here. Little design pair. Think we'll make those into earrings. This is a great bead mix if any are still available, just to purchase a couple of them. You never know what projects you can make with them. And these beads are really pretty. It's kind of painted, it looks like. These are acrylic, but super pretty. And then a couple of the mixed metals. Seahorses and the bead mix. How cute are those? I absolutely love seahorses, so this is perfect. I can't wait to create something really special with these. And then we have little briolets, and these are like a periwinkle or a very hairy, the color of the year a few years ago. You have these check glass beads that look like little bubbles or mermaid bubbles. They kind of have a shimmer to them. And then we have some bead caps, of course, our rondels, daisy spacers, and these little purple beads that kind of look like a sea glass. This is just a beautiful mix and a beautiful design kit from Softlex Company. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the upcoming tutorials and content. Have a wonderful day.